Hello students. Today I am going to explain you poem from your textbook Hornbill, a photograph written by Shirley Tolson. Introduction of this poem. In this poem, she recalls her mother and her memories while looking at a childhood photograph when her mother was 12 years old or so. She has been deceased 12 years ago and she cannot explain her grief on her mother's loss. Central idea of this poem. Shirley Tolson's poem, A Photograph, is a tribute to her mother. The poem describes 3 stages in the passage of time. In the first stage, the photograph shows the poet's mother standing at the beach enjoying her holiday with her 2 girl cousins. She was around 12 years old at that time. The second stage takes us 20 or 30 years later. The mother would laugh at the way she and her cousins were dressed up for the beach holiday. In the third stage, the poet remembers the dead mother with a heavy heart. The photograph revives a nostalgic feeling in the poet. Let us read the poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the 2 girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. All 3 stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Some 20-30 years later, she had laughed at the snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she had say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. Both wry with the labored ease of loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as the girl lived. And of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. Summary of the poem. The poem, A Photograph, contrasts the eternal state of nature and the transitory state of human beings. The poet describes a photograph that captures interesting moments of her mother's childhood when she went for a sea holiday with her 2 girl cousins. The poet draws a contrast between nature changing at a snail's pace and the fast changing human life. The poet recollects how her mother laughed at the photograph and felt disappointed at the loss of her childhood joys. The sea holiday was her mother's past at that time, while her mother's laughter is the poet's past now. With the great difficulty and at different periods of time, both reconcile with their respective losses and the pain involved in recollecting the past. For the poet, the death of her mother brings great sadness and an acute sense of loss. The painful silence of the situation leaves her with no words to express her grief. Thus, the silence silences her. The 3 stanzas of the poem depict 3 different stages of life, that is, early adolescence, girlhood, adulthood, and death. Thank you.